What's up, family? Today we're going to talk about when is the best time to harvest your watermelons. Stand by, y'all. So let's get into it, y'all. Let's get into it. So there are a lot of myths and wise tales surrounding when is the best time to harvest your watermelon. Family, some people will say, that the best way to determine if a watermelon is ready, for harvest is to simply thump it. And the deeper the sound, the riper the melon. Yeah. So other people will tell you to look at the spot on the bottom of the melon. And if that spot is turned from a white or a pale green, y'all, to a dull yellow, the watermelon is ready to be harvested. But family, today, family, I would like to show you a way that's worked for me, for several years, y'all. And it's simply to, follow the stem that is connected to your watermelon. You're gonna follow that stem down to the main stem, y'all. And at that intersection is a tendril and normally a leaf, y'all. So as you can see here, family, that tendril is brown and dry. And the leaf is actually brown as well and it's falling off. So this watermelon is ready to be harvested, y'all. Oh yeah. So that's what we're gonna do today. Check it out, fam. Yeah, let's do it. That's it, fam. Yeah, that's it. So I'm actually gonna weigh this watermelon in, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna weigh this watermelon in. It's gonna be my first entry into the watermelon wars challenge, y'all. Oh yeah. So let's see what we have. So family, as you can see here, it weighs in at an even 20 pounds, y'all. Yeah. So that's my first watermelon weighed in to the Watermelon Wars Challenge 2023, y'all. Family, I appreciate all the support. I really, really do. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Black Guns and Gardens out.